Nahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Napapansin mo, every time we talk about West Philippine Sea at laging bumubuka ng bibig ang ating mga honorable senator about sa West Philippine Sea or sa issue ng South China Sea, laging na dumidikit yung China. Lagi nating naririnig yung issue ng mga propagandista na galing China, yung naratibo ng China. Do you think this is another example of unpatriotic people
Yes, it is.
that lives in the Philippines?
This is clear and simple na unpatriotic ito. Why do they keep talking about China? When in fact, they could talk about the Philippines more than they talk about China. Di ko lang alam, pero marahil may mga utang na loob sila sa China. Itong mga matatawag ko na mga political mercenaries and prostitutes. Mas masaol pa sila sa mga hussy, sa mga harlot na pumupunta sa mga port kapag dumadaong ang mga barko. Ganyan sila. Why? Because they are prostituting themselves to China in exchange for so many favors, lalo na ang monetary favors. Yan lang naman ang mga galawin. They don't realize, what they don't realize is that once China is through with them, they might be disposed of. They might be disposed of, they might be set aside, or worse, they might be eliminated sa kanilang ginagawa. And what they're doing is dangerous. It not only undermines, that's an understatement, it wrecks the credibility of the Senate and of the government as a whole.
Yeah, representative ng mga Pilipino o sadyang nagbabalat kayo. Another claim, siguro counterclaim ni Attorney J. Batumbakal, yung about sa Kalayaan Group of Islands, na sinabi nga ni Senator Marcoleta that, we just need to give it up. Ni Attorney Batumbakal dito, ang Kalayaan Islands, napasa atin na yan bago pa magkaroon ng EEZ ng UNCLOS before. So, hindi na kailangan yan ipagdebatihan dahil teritoryo at pagmamay-ari yan ng Pilipinas. Ano masasabi mo?
Sabi ni Marcoleta, give up the Kalayaan Islands, that's bullshit. It's really bullshit. Not only that, it is a blow to the Filipinos. Pilipino ka ba talaga, Marcoleta, o hindi? Give it up. Ano yun? Parang namigay ka ng kotse sa kapatid mo, ganyan ka ba katanga? Hindi mo naman pwede magagawa yan. Why? Because kapag talaga nag-give up ang Kalayaan Islands Group, it means that he doesn't care about the sovereignty of the Philippines. All he cares about is his own benefit in dealing with China in many ways that he could think of. At saka that Marcoleta is a traitor. And not only that, he doesn't have any common sense whatsoever. It's a shame for a lawyer and politician to be saying those things as if ano yan, pamimigay mo kuting tuta? Oh, it's not like that. And besides, it is not the 16th to 18th centuries anymore. Hindi na magagawa yan because ang mga maritime law natin ay sophisticado na, mas improved na. At ang ating geopolitical borders mas na-establish na. Kaya manahimik ka na lang ulit. Kaya lang ayaw mo tumahimik eh. Penalized heavily for what you've said and what you've done and for how you acted.
Correct.
Palabas
And,
na mas ka parang
I think-
Viber mo.